Hey guys, so today I decided to do nice.
And then, if you want to eat that thing, you better come here.
And so I hope you guys will enjoy this video.
Hurry.
But I'm not going to be showing my face today.
Hurry up, come and fix it. Try go.
Yummy. Lots of lipsticks. Whoopsie! Look how cheesy that is.
Did you hear what I said? Hurry.
With some marinara sauce. If you don't know what marinara sauce is, you know that sauce at school? I'm pretty sure they have it in every school.
It's good?
Delicious. Shout out to Teresa Preza. My friend's mom and go check out her channel. It was awesome. So my first one, and it was the deformed one. So. Sorry for the background noises, but this is delicious. And this all came in a packet. It's a lot of sauce. It's actually a mukbang since yeah, I'm not getting up close with the sounds. The difference between an ASMR and a mukbang is an ASMR is like when you get all touchy, like when you like show them what you like your sound is, but and the mukbang is like when you just like talk regularly, you don't whisper like ASMR, and you can show your face, but in this case I'm just gonna show my beautiful lips and nose. That my hair's kind of messy, but yeah, you might catch me showing my eyes a little sometime, but I'm gonna pull it slowly. You can see that cheese. So I didn't drink. I have some apple juice. Delicious. So I'm just gonna pull it slowly so you guys can see the cheese.
Not that far. When you do it like this.
I know, you go like this.
Yeah, that's it. That's too much.
So delicious and cheesy. If you have mozzarella sticks at your house, please do a video, and I would look at it and comment some really good things. Like you did mozzarella sticks, and I know you'll get that's just awesome. Or if you have anything cheesy like Cheeto Puffs, that's fine. Anything that contains cheese. And tag me too.
Hey, slow down.
Look, slippery. It slipped. Slippery slip.
I didn't do a thumbnail. I'm going to do the thumbnail at the beginning of the video because most of my videos, the first thing you see is like the thumbnail. So.
Good? Where should we eat it?
So, yeah, you basically just pose and then the camera captures it. Shout out to my mom to help me make these. Oh my god, it's so hot. The cheese is really creamy. I've had these mozzarella sticks for a long time, not knowing that they were in my fridge. Later is super crispy and crunchy. The only thing that the box looks like, it looks like this. And it comes with mozzarella sauce. I mean, marinara sauce. And the instructions are right here. Really easy. Oh, over here. Right here. Yep, these are the instructions. I'm just gonna leave it right there so you guys can take a look. So yeah. That's too short for you to look. Just look and or pause the video. And the brand is TJI Fridays. Today's Sunday. My mom has work tomorrow.
Mom, you're gonna hit your phone.
I'm still on summer break. But it's almost school. Most people are going to school in August, which is next month.
I might have that.
About 10% of the people in June are going July, which is this month, July. This video is going to be published on July 23rd, which is today. So, this is also the next Sunday. And then the other half of people, like the lucky people, get to go to school at September, about 20% of them. But I go back to school in August like most people. Sorry for all the background noises. Because somebody's making so much noise. I'm really sorry. Well, as I should have said in the beginning of the video, if you do not like mouse sounds, please exit this video. And they're seasoned with, it says now seasoned with panko breading. Sounds good. They say they recommend it to keep it frozen. Some people do like this, which is kind of weird, but it's like this. If you want to be expression, you'll be like, this is the perfect. I got one more to go. At the beginning, when it's hot, it's really stretchy. When it's cold, it kind of clumps together and sticks to each other. I will be posting more videos often. I might post a video tomorrow. Another thumbnail. Sorry guys. I made that face for a reason. mozzarella sticks are also good without marinara sauce. Why are you gonna fit the whole thing in my mouth? I'll go feed as much. I won't take a bite. That's like way too. I know this isn't that big, but I got my mouth. Too much. It's not always good. It's good at some ones, but not all. Well, I'm gonna stop here because I'm full. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and go check out my friend Kaylee's channel at Teresa Barrera Appraisal. Help us get to 100 subscribers. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to give you a thumbs up and comment down below. Do you like mozzarella sticks? Peace.